Welcome to our channel. Today, we're talking about the best fuel injector cleaners for 2025. Whether you're dealing with rough idling, poor fuel efficiency, or just want to maintain your engine's health, we've rounded up the top products to help you out. Don't forget all the links are in the description for your convenience. Let's jump right in. Number 6. The B12 116 Chemtool Fuel Injector Cleaner 15 Oz is a highly effective and affordable solution for cleaning fuel injectors and maintaining engine performance. This cleaner contains 100% high-energy solvent technology, which helps to dissolve gum, varnish, and other fuel residues while ensuring your injectors, carburetors, intake ports, and valves stay clean. It's also safe for catalytic converters and O2 sensors, so you don't have to worry about damaging sensitive engine components. Many users have shared positive feedback, noting its potency in removing buildup caused by ethanol and other fuel-related gunk. It's often compared favorably to seafoam, with some saying it works even better at a lower cost. However, it's important to use it in the right concentration to avoid potential damage to gaskets. With fast free shipping through Amazon Prime and a special offer for a $10 Amazon gift card upon approval of the Amazon Store card, it's a great deal all around. If you're looking for a reliable and effective fuel injector cleaner, the B12 Chemtool is a solid choice for maintaining engine efficiency. Number 5. Chevron Techron Fuel Injector Cleaner 12 Oz is a reliable solution for maintaining engine performance and efficiency. Specifically formulated for carbureted and fuel-injected spark ignition engines, this cleaner works to remove harmful deposits from clogged fuel injectors and dirty carburetors in just one tank full. It's safe to use every 1,000 miles or as needed, making it a great addition to regular vehicle maintenance. With a 4.6-star rating from over 1,400 reviews, users consistently praise Techron for its effectiveness. Many have reported improved engine performance, smoother idling, and better fuel economy after using the cleaner. One customer noted it's the only product they trust for their vehicles, highlighting its consistent results. However, it's important to remember that Techron is not recommended for air-cooled two-stroke engines. For those looking for a trusted, proven fuel injector cleaner, Chevron Techron is a top choice. It's affordable, easy to use, and delivers noticeable improvements. With unbeatable prices on Amazon, this product is an excellent value for anyone looking to keep their engine in peak condition. Number 4. The Liqui Moly 2007 Jectron Gasoline Fuel Injection Cleaner 300 mm is a top-rated solution for cleaning fuel injection systems and restoring engine performance. This cleaner effectively removes carbon deposits and contaminants from fuel pipes, distributors, injection valves, and intake systems. It helps prevent starting issues, reduces fuel consumption, and promotes smoother idling and better throttle response. It's particularly beneficial for engines with catalytic converters, offering environmentally friendly combustion. With a stellar 4.7-star rating from over 5,000 reviews, users have experienced impressive results. One reviewer mentioned using Jectron in a 2013 BMW 750i to resolve a costly injector issue that the dealer recommended replacing. After using this product alongside a gas system and valve cleaner, all symptoms were eliminated, fuel economy improved, and responsiveness increased. The engine ran smoother, with no unpleasant smoke or smells from the tailpipe. If you're looking for a proven and effective way to clean your fuel injection system and boost engine performance, Liqui Moly's Jectron Fuel Injection Cleaner is a highly recommended choice. Its superior formulation ensures your engine operates at its best while promoting long-term fuel efficiency. Number 3. The STP Direct Injection Fuel Injector Cleaner 12 Oz is a great solution for maintaining and improving the performance of your gasoline engine. This fuel system cleaner contains advanced synthetic technology with PEA and PEBA detergents that effectively break down and remove hardened deposits from fuel injectors. By doing so, it helps restore engine performance, improves fuel efficiency, and inhibits corrosion within the fuel system. This product is compatible with a wide variety of gasoline engines, including turbo, direct injection, and hybrid engines, making it versatile and easy to use. With twice the amount of cleaning agents compared to leading premium gasoline treatments, it stands out for its superior cleaning power. Many users have shared positive feedback, including one who mentioned using the cleaner after paying for a professional injector cleaning, only to find no issues with the engine since. For optimal results, it's recommended to use this cleaner every 4,000 miles, or with every oil change. If you're looking for an affordable, effective fuel injector cleaner to enhance engine performance, the STP Direct Injection Fuel Injector Cleaner is a solid choice. Number 2. The Gumout 5100 High Mileage Fuel Injector Cleaner 6 AZA Pack of 6 is a must-have for owners of high-mileage vehicles. Formulated for engines with over 75,000 miles, this powerful cleaner effectively removes carbon deposits from fuel injectors, intake valves, and ports. It helps restore engine performance, improve fuel efficiency, and reduce future carbon buildup, which ultimately lowers emissions. It's also oxygen sensor safe, making it suitable for a wide range of vehicles, including turbocharged and supercharged models. The cleaner is easy to use and works quickly to help maintain smooth idling and optimal performance. Many users, including one reviewer with 6 vehicles, swear by its effectiveness, using it regularly in older cars to keep fuel injectors clean and engines running smoothly. The product is recommended for use every 3,000 miles and won't void your vehicle's warranty, making it a convenient choice for ongoing engine care. For those with high-mileage vehicles looking to boost fuel economy and prevent engine issues, Gumout High Mileage Fuel Injector Cleaner is a reliable, affordable solution. Number 1. The Lucas Upper Cylinder Lubricant and Fuel Injector Cleaner 5.25 Ozapers 12-pack is an outstanding product for keeping your engine in top shape. With a 4.8-star rating from 658 reviews, this fuel treatment works by cleaning fuel injectors and lubricating upper cylinders, which helps reduce engine knocks, improve fuel efficiency, and prevent carbon buildup. It's perfect for both gasoline and diesel engines, and it helps restore injector performance, ensuring smoother, more efficient engine operation. One satisfied customer shared their experience of buying the 12-pack to save money and store the bottles in their truck, making it easy to add to the tank every 4 to 5 fill-ups. This convenient bulk purchase ensures they always have a bottle on hand, helping to maintain smooth engine performance and reduce costly repairs down the road. If you're looking for a cost-effective solution to reduce engine noise, maintain smooth operation, and keep your fuel injectors clean, the Lucas Upper Cylinder Lubricant and Fuel Injector Cleaner is a reliable choice. It's a high-quality product that delivers real results, making it a great addition to any vehicle maintenance routine. That's a wrap on our list of the best fuel injector cleaners for 2025. We hope you found the perfect one for your vehicle. If you did, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more automotive reviews and tips. Be sure to check the links in the description for more details on each product. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.